Hello, I'm Leur, Senior Engineer with Upsite Technologies, and I'll talk to you a little bit about the fit of our hot lock blanking panels. Our hot lock blanking panels are designed to meet the EIA 310 specification for the dimension between rails. Our industry research has revealed that cabinets are being manufactured with a wide range of dimensions between the rails. To fit the widest range of rail dimensions, we have improved the clip design of our hot lock blanking panel. There are a couple of conditions that exist with cabinets that might create the experience of installing the blanking panels as being difficult. There are a couple of techniques that can be used to make installation easy and fast. When installing the blanking panel in cabinets where the rails are quite tight, install one side first, making sure that it's seated against the rail. Then, applying a little horizontal force in this direction, can push and snap in the other side. So when blanking panels are fitting very tight, either because the rails are close or the edges are very sharp, which is hanging up on the clip, one technique is to reach over the blanking panel and grab the clip and pull it in towards the middle of the cabinet, and just a little bit of pressure will relieve that condition. So the technique is, when installing blanking panels in a large space like this, would be to start at the bottom. You can easily reach over, grab the clip, and it goes in very simply. Then work your way up, and of course at the top it's not going to be possible to reach over and grab a hold of the clip. Nor, in this condition, will it be possible to reach over and grab the clip. So the other technique that can be used is to, with your thumbs, just apply a little pressure on the clips and deform them slightly. That relieves the amount of pressure required to insert the blanking panel, and it'll snap in without any other techniques. When installing the blanking panels between servers, when there's just a one-use space left, sometimes the flanges on the blanking panel can get caught or hook on elements on the server, the sheet metal edges or screws. And one way to prevent that from happening is by just squeezing the flanges on the blanking panel, and they'll slightly deform, and that'll allow the blanking panel to slip into place.